How's it going, YouTube? Been a while since I posted a video. Today we're still here at the old pond in my last video where I caught pretty good sized decent bass. We ain't had rain in the last few days, or weeks I should say, but then over this weekend we got pretty good rain, so there's a lot of activity. I just got here, got off work and I headed this way. Well, been about an hour. I ain't been out here an hour. It's been an hour since I got off work. It's 4:26 now. Hopefully today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try and target some largemouth. We're gonna see how that goes. Alright. Here we go, boys. Oh. Easy, fella. Bring it around the paddle. He choked it. He choked that hook. There we go, YouTube folks. Nice little bass. Good size. He's a little fat. He's been eating. He's been eating pretty good. There we go. We're out here on the pond today. We're using big baits. We're trying to get some good sized bass today. Remember to like and subscribe to videos, and I'll keep trying to post when I can. Also share, share wherever you can, and hopefully I can get to like 100 subscribers and I'll be fine with that, fingers crossed. Thank you, appreciate it, and y'all have a good day. Got another one, boys. Got another one. Woo! This is the, I was only able to get 3 on video, I think. And this makes, no, wait, it's the 5th. I only got 3 on video, so this is 4th. Wait, I don't know. Get his ass, get his ass. Got it. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got some crappie. We got some beautiful slab of crappie. Here we go.